What's going on, champions? Welcome back. Witam vás všechny zpět. Let's talk about Czech. What does it sound like? Budu mluvit o Českou republiku. Jak to zní? I'm gonna do a dual language one so you guys can hear what Czech sounds like. The spoken language sounds beautiful. It's like an art. Poetry. I love Czech. Czech language is awesome. Česky je to krásný. So it's hot today. I'm leaving the Agro Family Park right now. Going home. Let's go get some food. Jedeme si pro jídlo. Yeah, this is a Czech English dual language thing. It's pretty cool. So what does Czech sound like? Jak to zní čeština? What does Czech sound like? Czech sounds awesome. It's beautiful. Now, some people say it's really hard. You can't really learn it. You can't learn it. It's just hard to learn. Even I have trouble learning it still. Spoken. So writing and reading, it's whatever, but it's pretty good. So like different words, jiný slova, jako čeština je docela těžká se naučit. Taková těžká. Psát, číst, těžký. So let's see, like different words, like if you say, you know, typical words, I love you, baby. Já tě miluju, lásko. It's kind of, see, that's what it sounds like. So English, I love you, baby. Já tě miluju, lásko. It's cool. Or you're pissing me off, or you're making me mad. Let's say you're pissing me off. Ty mě sereš. No, it's let's try to be good here. Join me for this country ride back to Znojmo. We're gonna go to Znojmo. Jedeme do Znojma. So I don't know. I was just gonna say, I'll just say a couple of words and then I'll say it in English. I'll say it in Czech. I guess random words. So it's like, what's your name? Jak se jmenuješ? Sounds interesting. Jak se jmenuješ? What's your name? What I have trouble with is like understanding if there's like a Y, not a Y, yeah, a Y or an I. So like that's hard because it doesn't sound the same, but I always forget, you know, if there's a Y or an I. And the way I remember it is if I remember the word. So for example, like an apartment, the word apartment is bit, and almost like a Bitcoin, like bit. And I know that I think it's a Y, and I know it's a Y, so BYT. But, you know, if I didn't know how it was spelled, I would be like bit. I'd be like, it's either a Y or an I. It's one of those. Or like a J sometimes. So like you are, ty seš, right? Like you are, ty seš. So it's like, is it a Y? Is it a J, S-E-S, or is it just S-E-S? Because you can say sesh, you are. I don't know. It just I have to kind of like remember what the word is, what it looks like, and then I know if there's a Y or an I. That's kind of the hardest part. Or obviously I never do, because in Czech there's like all these lines on top of the letters. Like we don't write, like in Czech they don't write like for example a shoe, right? So like shoe in Czech is bota, but let's say the word shoe, like it could be a shoe, like the shoe, or shoe, get out of here. No, but like a sh sound, I consider myself Czech, so we would never write, you know, SH or SCH like the Austrians do, Germans. It's just S with a line on top, and that's sh. Which I could say a bad word, but I'm not gonna say it. We're gonna keep this PG. I love driving through these little villages. Já mám rád jezdit přes tady ty vesnice. Yeah, so like I'll say a sentence and I'll say it in Czech. It's kind of cool. I like that. You gotta be careful around here. We're gonna pop out on the main road. Teď vystřelíme na tu hlavní cestu, or something like that. Alright, let's go slow right here. Jedeme pomalu. I'll just say, like, right now we're gonna go to Znojmo, so jedeme do Znojma. We're driving to Znojmo right now. Like, we're going to Znojmo now. Jedeme do Znojma. oh crap. Just pulled out in front of this car. So they had to stop real quick. Jsem vyjel před auto, musel zastavit, nebo musela, hned zastavit. Oh, that's another one. So like musel and musela. So they're like, if you put an A at the end, you know it's feminine. And if there's no A at the end, it's not feminine, like you're speaking about a woman. So here it's like, it's very interesting. So like here if you say, let's say in English you say, I'm gonna go visit my friend, right? Like let's say your girlfriend asked you, hey, where are you going? And I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna go visit my friend. So in English, I'm gonna go visit my friend. It could be a guy or a girl. She doesn't know who I'm gonna go visit. But in Czech, you can't really do that. There's only one way to say it. It's like, I think you can't say in general, they don't know who you're gonna visit. You have to say, já jdu navštívit můj kamarádku. That means I have to go visit my friend. That's a girl, kind of thing. We just got cut off. My cousin was calling me. My cuz, Martin. So yeah, so let me explain it again. So like when you say a guy or a girl, it's kind of like you have to say the A at the end. So it's like, I'm gonna go visit my friend. In English, it could be a guy or a girl. But in Czech, you kind of have to say if it's a guy or a girl. So it's like, já jdu navštívit, or já nemusím, jo, ale I don't have to, but já jdu navštívit kamarádku. I'm gonna go visit my friend. That's a girl. Or let's say a guy version. Já musím jít navštívit kamaráda. You know? So that's the guy. There's also an A at the end. Kamarada. Yeah, well, I just have to say the end because that's just the way to say it. It's complicated, man. Czech is complicated. Čeština je komplikovaná. Czechs have a lot of double meanings. Češi mají hodně dvojsmysl. That's what that means. Czechs have a lot of double meanings. Češi mají hodně dvojsmysl. Slova, words. Words are slova. Or like, Czechs are the best in the world. Češi jsou nejlepší na světě. Czechs are the hottest. Czech dudes are the hottest in the world. Český chlapi jsou nejhezčí na světě. I like that too. Czech girls or Czech women are the most beautiful in the world. Český ženský, český holky jsou nejkrásnější na světě. Alright, we're back again. I got cut off again. Jesus, people trying to call me. So yeah, Czech girls are the hottest in the world. Český holky jsou nejkrásnější ve světě, na světě. Something like that. No, it's exactly like that. It's exactly like that. Přesně tak to je. So, what else can we talk about? Oh, cars, Czech cars. All right, Škodas. Czech Republic makes Škoda. So, český auta jsou nejlepší. So those are, Czech cars are the best. So, český auta jsou nejlepší. Czech cars are the best. Or what about, the Škoda is the best car in the world. Škodovky jsou nejlepší auta na světě. How about this? I want to go to Japan one day. Já bych chtěl někdy do Japonska. I know a lot of Czech people that are going to be watching this are going to be correcting me. Because my Czech ain't the best. Moje čeština není nejlepší. I'm getting there though. So yeah. How about, right now I'm driving to get some Vietnamese food. I'm gonna go get some Vietnamese food again. Why not? Já teď jedu si pro vietnamský jídlo. We're in the Czech Republic and I'm gonna go get Vietnamese food. My jsme v České republice, já si jedu pro vietnamský jídlo. Yeah, so Czech sounds pretty good. What does it sound like to you guys? Kind of hard? Jak to zní? Těžký? Češi to úplně milují, ten český hlas. Český holky, český kluky, český pivo.
Český holky, český kluky, český pivo.
Czech girls, Czech guys, Czech beer. I'm gonna put that in the clip. It's from this one guy, singer, Czech singer called Orlik. That's I think that's his name. He's a little racist, I think. That was back in the day. I think when he was making music back then, he was like a little. He was not a racist. Let's say nationalist. He was a nationalist. Cool. We got a gas station here to our right called Orlen. Máme tady benzínku na pravé straně. That means we have a gas station to the right here. Yeah, I don't know. I like Czech. Czech is pretty cool. It's really cool though, because when I speak, when I'm somewhere out and I speak, and I meet with my friends or whatever, and I speak English, nobody knows I can speak Czech. Nobody understands me, or nobody thinks I can speak Czech or understand Czech. That's what I meant to say. It's pretty cool. And then if they start speaking about me, I know everything they're saying, because I'm a double agent. Jsem dvojitý agent. I have been placed here by the U.S. government, by the CIA, to learn everything about the Czechs. Mě jsem poslali, americká vláda mě sem poslala, aby všechno zjistilo Českou republiku. A všechny know-how. They sent me here to get all the know-how about Czechs, about the Czech Republic, and then bring it back to the U.S. Oni mě sem poslali, americká vláda mě sem poslala, abych získal všechny know-how, všechno o České republice a odvést to zpátky do Ameriky. Yeah, so this is the Czech Republic. Welcome. Look how beautiful it is. Czech Republic is really beautiful. Česká republika je fakt krásná, je nádherná. I don't know, I'm not a teacher. A lot of people were like, hey, can you teach me English? I'm like, man, I don't even speak Czech or English. I'm bad, I'm horrible. I won't even know how to begin or where to begin. The only thing I can teach you is PPC, e-commerce, analytics, data. That's all I can do. There's a camera right here, up here. Every time you drive into a village or a town, you gotta go 50. Vždycky, když vyjedeš do vesnice nebo do města, musíš jít 50. That's how you do it. I don't know, I guess that's it. That's the Czech lessons you guys get. That's what Czech sounds like. Takhle to zní čeština, takhle zní krásně. Alright, let me just speak Czech for a minute. Alright, and I'll tell you what I said. Teď jedeme do kopce, pak si jedeme kopec dolů, ale tady je nějaký velký kamion. Asi tahá něco, asi tahá kamion, taky další nebo něco. Nebo jede prázdnej možná. Krásný. Jedeme kopec, pojedeme dolů do Znojma, zajedeme si koupit vietnamský jídlo. So I said, we're gonna drive up the hill, we're gonna go down the hill. Oh look, there's a truck coming, beautiful truck. He's probably hauling a truck, probably a tow truck. So we're gonna go up the hill, go down the hill, and we're gonna go get some Vietnamese, go down to Znojma and get some Vietnamese. They're making a new roundabout here. It's gonna be way better, there's a lot of traffic here. Tady dělají nový kruháč tady ve Znojmě, bude to pak lepší, nebude to zdržovat. So that's Czech, man, pretty basic. Really simple to learn, anybody can learn it. Je to strašně jednoduchý, každý se to může naučit. And that in front of us is Znojmo. Znojmo, I see you twice. It's like a Czech saying. Znojmo, vidím tě dvojmo. Because there's a lot of wine drinking here. So basically meaning when you drink a lot of wine here, you see everything twice. Because you get blasted. Oh, look at this car. Look at this one. Trabant. Another one and another one. Cool. I like that. That's pretty dope. I think that was a Trabant. What a cool day today, eh? You know, I'm gonna do some videos from my house. There's this guy pulling a car. He's pulling a car. Yeah, I'm gonna do a video from my home. All right, we'll just drink beer. I sit on the computer anyways all day, just doing my work from home, analytics. So I'll just do work from home and record myself while we're scrolling and looking at Twitter, looking at things online and just commenting it. Let's just do that. All right, well, that's about it, y'all. Hope you like my short Czech lesson, what it sounds like. Next time someone asks you what it sounds like, you tell them, čeština je krásná, to zní tak krásně. It's a beautiful language. It's like Romeo and Juliet. Je to jako Romeo a Juliet. Pěkný. Jak je krásná naše země. Co? Každý to miluje tady. Everybody loves it here. Každý to miluje tady. Everybody loves it here. Ano, ano, ano. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, I'll see you champions later. Tak se zase uvidíme, šampioni, jo? You guys have a good weekend. Užijte si krásný víkend. I'll see you guys later. Adios. Okay, fine. I'll take you guys with me to the Vietnamese place. I'll show you guys where I get my Vietnamese food. At the Flaming Dragon.
This is Flaming Dragon.
Okay, Flaming Dragon.
This is my other Vietnamese video where I get my food. Vedete se mnou. Vedeme si pro vietnamský jídlo. Let's not run this lady over. Nechceme ji přejet. Paní. Chtěl jsem říct bábu. Ale paní. Slečna. A lady. Welcome to Znojmo. Vítejte ve Znojmě. Znojmo is a nice little town. You guys would love it. Come visit Znojmo. Přijďte navštívit Znojmo. Je to krásný nezemě. Město. Moc pěkný. It's nice here. I like it. Alright, my Vietnamese place is right here. You go down to the basement and get some Vietnamese. Jdeme taky do sklepa dolů a tam je to jídlo vietnamský. Jsme mohli sem zaparkovat do prčic. No tak zastavíme tady. We'll go right here. Just pound it real quick. No waiting. That's how we do it. Rychle. Holy moly. Rackaboli. Oh, that guy just dropped his car, son. Ten úplně spadnul. He almost destroyed his car in that hole. Huge hole. Velká díra. Let's back up. There's no t because there's nothing behind me. Alright, let's roll. Let me show you guys. I always like turn around here. Vždycky se tady otočím. Alright, stop right here. Tady zastavím. Can right here. Park my car. We made it. Let me show you where I go. Let's vezmu s sebou, pojď. All this Czech money. Look at this Czech money. That's like $1 billion right now. Let's go. Come with me, y'all. All right. Let me show you where I go. Hold on. Lock the Lambo. And that's the Vietnamese place right here. Look at that. That's where I go. The Flaming Dragon.
This is Flaming Dragon.
Okay, Flaming Dragon.
We go down. I'll see you guys later. Behave, everybody, behave. All right, I'm back. Jsem zpátky. Just got my Vietnamese food. Chatted with the lovely lady. She's been here for 18 years. 18 let tady už je. It's a long time. To je hodně dlouho. I love the Vietnamese food that they make. Mám to rád, je to dobrý. I gotta go to Vietnam. Go visit Vietnam for a minute. Jet navštívit Vietnam na chvilinku. Oh, let me close this. To zavřu. I got the AC working. So I don't need the sunroof. Mám klimu, tak nepotřebujeme. Nevím, jak se řekne sunroof česky. Oh, but now I know how you say crime. So I got a comment today was like, I was like, man, I don't know how you say crime in Czech. And one of my viewers was like, kriminalita. That's how you say it, crime. Kriminalita. I was like, oh yeah, that's how you say it. I forgot. Man, I'd love to go to Vietnam, go to Asia, visit Vietnam for sure. That'd be pretty cool. By bylo super navštívit Vietnam, se podívat for a minute. Have a little party, Vietnamese girls, vietnamský holky, ženský, holky, ženský, girls, women. All right, well, let's go home. Jedem domů. Got my food. Now let's go do some endless scrolling online and then do some work. Just a little bit. Jdeme domů se najíst, budeme trošku endless scrollovat a trošku práce jdem dělat. Alright, well, I'll see you guys next time. You guys have a good weekend. Užijte si krásný víkend. See you guys later. Adios. Mějte se hezky. Ciao.